Changing user roles in WordPress from the dashboard is slow and annoying. In this video, I'll show you how to change any user role in one command using WP-CLI. Let's jump into the video. Make sure you are inside your WordPress root directory. Alright, so I am on my local host. I am simply opening my command prompt. Perfect. First of all, I will be simply showing you list of my available users so we can see how we will be playing with it. Alright, so these are the users and these are the user roles. Alright, so basic command. First of all, we have to go toward the set role command. Alright, so the command to change a user or set a user role is WP user. We will be passing it set role command to home. So I want to set that role to this particular user. So I will be passing its username, which is johndoe, and I will be setting its role to editor. And once clicked, so here it is. It can simply say added johndoe. This is the ID of the user as editor. So here, if I simply list my users again, and we can differentiate what actually happened. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, so here is the list, and now if we check particular user John Doe in our case, so its role was subscriber. Once we have added or we have ran our command, the role of the user is set to editor. So how we do that? We simply ran our WP user set role command. Then we pass the name of the user. In our case, that was the username as John Doe, and we assigned a role. That's how we change our user role. All right. So we can also do same thing like with the ID. But how to do that? For example, we have ID of this particular user 5. So now we can use it something like we can set user role like same way set role and pass ID, and we can set it to subscriber. All right, so if you see, it says added quick user because this is the ID to as subscriber. Now again we can list our users, and if you check now carefully, quick user after our this command got subscriber, but before it was having editor role. All right, so that's how we actually set proper or particular roles for a user. All right, that's how you change WordPress user roles in one command using WP-CLI. Fast, clean, and way better than the dashboard, because we are not even going inside the WordPress dashboard at all. But if I just want to go and refresh my site, I will be seeing changes here because we have made few changes. All right, so you can see quick user got subscriber while John Doe got editor roles. All right, if you want to learn more details and full series on WP-CLI, you can follow along and don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, have a nice time. Bye bye.